Welcome to part 7 of this mini series about project risk, and in this video I'm going to talk about positive risk responses you can have to positive risks during the project. So once again, there's 4 major techniques you can have to answer positive risks: enhance, exploit, share, and accept. In terms of exploit, this means that you change the plan completely to take full advantage of the opportunity you detected. You change your scope or your schedule or your resources, but basically what you're going to do is to really focus on that activity and then change the whole plan to eliminate the uncertainty of this opportunity, to make sure that this good thing you detected really happens. And that's what explore is. Exploit is to basically take the advantage that you see and making everything that you can to make sure that that advantage becomes a reality. Enhancing risk opportunity here is a change of plan to increase the size or the likelihood of this opportunity. Now that means that I cannot guarantee 100% it will happen, but I'm going to do the best that I can to make sure that it does. And once again, this can mean it's about maximizing on our opportunity, and most of the times this might have to do with changing timelines or changing the budget. But here what I do is I create an enabling action, something that will enable this opportunity to become a reality. And sometimes that might mean that I have to change my planning in order to increase the probability that the opportunity would become a reality. Then the other one we have is sharing risk opportunities. Maybe you detected a very good opportunity, but you don't want to take the risk entirely on your own, because even positive things have a risk. So in this case, you partner with another business, for example, and you partner with someone else that would share the risk of taking this opportunity with you. And then obviously you would share the costs, but you would also share the benefits. And here, this is something that has to be very carefully put into contract. And yes, we're talking here about joint ventures. We're talking about risk-sharing partnerships. So what you do is you partner with what we call an enabler, and we contract with someone who can ensure that this opportunity can be realized. In other words, you partner with the best partner you can find. Finally, the last option, once again, is to just accept. You don't do any changes, but rather when it happens, you take the best that you can out of it. And therefore, you don't really have to prepare much besides just being ready when it happens to make sure that you take advantage of that opportunity. So as you see, there are different things we can do to take advantage of positive risks, but we need to identify which type of category do they fall on and what's the strategy we should follow. Positive risks, if you ignore them, you just don't get any benefit, but it would be a waste that on the strongest positive risks, you don't do anything that would benefit the end result of your project. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions on the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video of this mini series.